Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to remove a channel manager from your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, it's actually quite easy. What you need to do is come to youtube.com, and if you haven't already, just go ahead and sign into your account. So once YouTube is loaded up, what you then want to do is click onto your profile icon, which is up here in the top right hand corner, and then just come down and click onto settings. So what's going to happen, it's going to take you across to a page that looks like this. And if you actually scroll down slightly, you'll see there's a section here which says your YouTube channel. And just a bit down there, you've got channel managers and the option to add or remove. So you just need to go ahead and give that a click. And then what you want to do is just click the blue Manage Permissions button. And once that's done, it's just going to bring up a list of all your managers. So you can see at the top, it's got primary owner, which is myself, Digital Tutor. And this is just an example. This is an example account that I've added for this video. To remove the manager, all you simply need to do is come across and click the cross next to their name. And then what's going to happen, it's just going to come up with a confirmation saying about removing them from the YouTube channel. All you need to do is click on to remove. And you can see that's now removed them, then just click done. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.